Iran acknowledged for the first time on Saturday that it had supplied Russia with drones, but said they were sent a few months before Moscow's forces invaded Ukraine. Speaking at a summit in Tehran, Iran's foreign minister denied Tehran was continuing to supply drones. In recent weeks, Ukraine has reported a surge in drone attacks on civilian infrastructure, notably targeting power stations and dams, using Iranian-made drones. Russia, which calls its invasion a special military operation, denies its forces have used Iranian drones to attack Ukraine. The European Union and Britain have sanctioned Iran over drone deliveries to Russia. Meanwhile, Ukraine's besieged eastern city of Bakhmut is now the most intense frontline in the war. That's according to Alexander Marchenko, the deputy head of the Bakhmut civil administration.
Unfortunately, the enemy is trying to storm the city from several directions. There is ongoing fighting on the outskirts of the city. Ukrainian armed forces are firmly holding the front line and are not allowing the enemy to advance deeper and enter the city.
Russian forces have repeatedly launched attacks against Bakhmut in the Donetsk region, but are being pushed back with what Kiev says are heavy losses. The city has already been without electricity, gas and running water for nearly 2 months. Marchenko said more than 120 people had been killed within the city limits since February. But that despite the daily crossfire, around 12 to 15,000 civilians remain in the city. He added that evacuations have not stopped since February 27th, and the city's administration is encouraging people to leave.